Dear kids, now I will explain the book exercise on the board. Okay, so pay attention on the board. This is the book exercise of chapter 6, pronouns, that is replacing nouns. So part A is there, fill the correct replacing nouns. Here you have to fill the correct replacing noun. In exam also you will get like this. Okay, you will get two options. You have to select the correct one and you have to fill here. Let us read the first sentence. Dash is Ashok. Okay, two options are here, beta, I or he. I we use with am. So what will come? He. For the boy or for the man, what we use? He. So he is Ashok. What you will write here? He is Ashok. Second is there. Dash is a book. Dash is a book. Okay. Book. Book is, tell me, I told ki for non-living thing, if it is one, कोई भी एक नॉन लिविंग थिंग होती है, बुक कैन नॉट ब्रीथ ना, सांस नहीं ले सकती, मूवमेंट नहीं कर सकती, नॉन लिविंग थिंग, इट कम्स अंडर नॉन लिविंग थिंग. तो इट इज सिंगल, और सिंगल एक कोई भी नॉन लिविंग थिंग होगी, और एनी लिविंग थिंग लाइक एनिमल्स, insects, what we will use for them? It. So what will come here? It. It is a book. He तो हम नहीं यूज कर सकते ना यहाँ पे, because he or she is used for the persons. He for the male or the man, and she for the female or the girl. Correct. Third, dash is Meena. Okay, he or she. Meena. Meena is he or she? She. So what will come here? She. If it is Rohan here, यहाँ पे रोहन होता तो what will come? He. Okay. So she is Meena. Fourth, dash am doing homework. Okay, with am, what we will use? I or you? Two options are here. Tell me. With am, we always use I. I am doing homework. Is this clear, my dear kids? Fifth, dash are friends. Okay, it or they. It will come? No, because it is used for single pronoun. That it includes, उसमें क्या क्या आता है? नॉन लिविंग थिंग सिंगल होगी तो. ओके. इंसेक्ट, कोई इंसेक्ट सिंगल होगा. एनिमल और बर्ड, इफ इट इज सिंगल इट विल कम अंडर it we will use it with. Okay, but here friends are there, so they are friends. Okay, like this, two options will be there in exam. Read the sentence, understand it, then give the reply or write down the answer there. B part is there. Circle all the replacing nouns. Here few words are given. What you have to do, you have to circle the replacing nouns. ऐसे टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आपके एग्जाम में नहीं आएंगे. अकॉर्डिंग टू द ब्लूप्रिंट ओनली द क्वेश्चन दैट इज करेक्ट रिप्लेसिंग नाउन फिल करने ही आपके एग्जाम में मेनली आएंगे. बट फॉर आवर नॉलेज वी आर जस्ट डूइंग. आई इज रिप्लेसिंग नाउन. कोट इज noun, not replacing noun. They, yes, they is again pronoun, so circle it. Car is noun. She is, yes, replacing noun or pronoun. Bus is again, it comes under noun. He is replacing noun or the pronoun. Paper is a name of a thing, so it come under noun. You, yes, you is replacing noun, so we will circle you. Apple is the name of the fruit, it come under noun. It, yes, it is replacing noun. Bag is name of a thing, so it come under noun, not under replacing now.